Ewako! Ewako! Ewako Emon! Top striker! Ewako Emon! Untuk PSM Makassar terlebih dahulu kita tahu bahwa mereka bisa mengamankan kemenangan ini, saya rasa jadi kepercayaan diri yang sangat baik ya. Kemenangan telak 3-0 atas Persis Solo itu saja membuat Bernardo Tavares puas dengan penampilan dari Croatia dan dia mengincar kemenangan.
We need to be humble, and when I say we be humble, it's we just won a game. And see our team. We don't have stadium. We play always away. We lose many players important, local players and foreign players. We bring players local that was from teams that relegate. Others that come from academies, our academy and other academies that don't have experience of Liga Sato. We bring foreign players that don't have experience of Indonesia, and we need to get time to they can get a good adaptation. So we cannot say that we are in the better position than Biak.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? This is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer.
Last game is history. The supporters just remember the last things.
Supporter hanya akan ingat performa terakhir saja.
If we play today at home, for sure many supporters lose.
Kalau kita main di bagus ini, hasil kita bagus ini. Saya percaya supporter akan lebih banyak datang nanti di stadion.
But guys, they want to win more than us.
Tapi mereka juga mau menang.
They want to win more than us.
Poin menjadi misi tentunya bagi kedua tim di laga pada sore hari ini untuk bisa memastikan laju mereka dalam persaingan di BRI Liga 1. Bebas saat ini pemirsa, tentu saja akan menjadi sebuah keuntungan bagi pasukan Rama mencari gol pembuka. Ada Victor Luis, ada Ananda Rehan, sebuah tipuan, angkat bolanya. Oh! Erwin Hauchenda nampaknya mencatatkan gol ketiganya di Liga 1, tinggal menyodok bola dan di depan gol gawang.
Ya, kita lihat bagaimana ketenangan dari para pertahanan Pertes yang dalam menghadapi situasi bola seperti ini. Tidak ada pemain yang dijaga. Kayak Magenta ya, sekitar ini kita lihat.
To get 3 points away is very difficult.
Mendapatkan 3 poin di luar itu
We
susah,
have
teman-teman.
40 minutes to say that we win away. Okay?
Masih punya.
Okay!
Masih punya 40 menit lagi.
Coba arahkan tunggu ke kotak penalti. Header! Super shot! Pablo Abel Argaderas. Sakai mengirimkan bola. Oh, bahaya sekali. Gol! Adelson Silva. Divider tadi muncul dalam situasi tengah bebas. Karena akan mengganggu percaya diri ya.
Kita lihat.
Oh,
Tidak gol.
tidak gol pemirsa. Offside rupanya.
Dua kali slide header untuk dua pemain yang besar.
Lempar ke dalam, Zaki yang akan mengambilnya. Benar-benar di ujung laga saat ini sudah pemirsa. PSM tekan, lemparan kuat. Oh, coba ditinju. Oh, bahaya ini, kita lihat.
untuk ASM Makassar. Mencetak oleh pemain nomor punggung 81, Abdul Rahman.
Neto. It's very cold, I see, huh? I think it's very cold.
No, Name! Hey, it's not cold right now. You better do it now. After 2 minutes, take care.
No, cold.
Not cold. Why stop? Better after 2 minutes.
What after 2 minutes? It's cold. See, Pinky, but stop.
This team is very rough. Too much kicking.